PJ9483, her name is Junelin Juan. She's 30 years old and still single. She finished 2 years computer secretarial. She has a local domestic helper experience. This is PJ9483. Will you please introduce yourself?
Good day to my future employer. I am Junelin Belmonte Juan. I'm 30 years old. I'm single. I live in Salsona, Ilocos Norte. I have 2 sisters and I have 2 brothers. I am the older in the family. My parents' name is Mr. Alfredo A. Juan.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to earn money for my family.
Do you have any local experience as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
What are your duties and responsibilities with them?
My duties and responsibilities in my local experience are cooking food, washing and ironing clothes, carrying the baby.
What experience do you have in newborn baby?
My work experience in newborn baby, my duties are feeding milk and changing the diaper.
What will you do first if the baby is crying?
I need first check the diaper if wet.
After feeding, what will you do?
I need to birth the baby.
Why do you think you are a suitable domestic helper?
I am hardworking and honest.
How can you relieve your homesick if given chance to work in Hong Kong?
I concentrate my job and responsibilities.
Do you know how to sing nursery rhymes?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cite an example?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like diamond in the sky.
Okay. Can you give a message to your future employer?
Please choose me as your domestic helper and I will do my best and I will finish my contract. And thank you.